In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize images in Canva. If you've ever scaled up a logo or illustration and it turned blurry, vectorizing is the solution. Vector images are made of shapes and paths, not pixels, so they stay crisp at any size. Canva now makes this process easy with a built-in tool called Tracer, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening your design or creating a new one in the size you plan to use. Then upload the image you want to vectorize. Simple graphics, logos, or illustrations with solid colors work best, though high-contrast images can also give good results. Drag the image onto your canvas so it's visible and ready. Click the image to select it. You'll see a bounding box around it. Then, go to the top toolbar and click Edit. Scroll to the App section and search for Tracer. Select the Tracer app to launch it. This tool automatically converts raster images into clean, scalable vectors. Inside Tracer, click Trace Image. Check the color options. Reducing colors gives smoother shapes, while keeping more colors preserves details. For logos and icons, fewer colors are usually better. For illustrations, you may keep more. Adjust background settings if needed, then wait for the trace to finish. Preview the result to ensure edges are smooth and colors are grouped correctly. When satisfied, click Add to Design. Canva places the vector as a new element you can scale, rotate, or position without losing quality. Your original image stays on the canvas for comparison. That's it. Quick, clean vectorization directly in Canva using the Tracer app. Now you can resize and reuse your graphics for any project without losing detail.